What's happening, fam? Today is Saturday, March 19th. My wife and I were in the parking lot of a dealership and we're picking up a pretty brand new pre-owned vehicle that has been said to undergo their 165-point check. But look at the condition of this cabin filter. All right, y'all just saw that clip from the dealership parking lot. This is after the filter was changed. This thing smells actually so good and so clean. Stay tuned. What's happening, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well. So today we have a new addition to show you here real quick. This is my wife's brand new car. We got it yesterday, and this will be a continuation of what I showed you guys from her last video when I did the cabin filter of her 2013 Kia Sportage. Now, we literally got this, just for a little recap. That video, when I did it, it was the day before we got this. And at the dealership, you guys saw from the intro, at the dealership, I literally pulled that cabin filter out just for shits and giggles right in the parking lot as we were about to drive off. And obviously, you know what I mean, I don't have to explain what you guys saw. So now, this is gonna be a simple, easy change. And as I showed you guys before, Kia makes it really easy to do this, and I'm gonna show you how. So real simple, this right here and this turn screw right here, lefty loosey righty tighty, turn it counterclockwise, it'll hang. Then you squeeze this. You don't even need any tools. Let me hook this camera here real quick. Okay, so now you just squeeze right here and you just pull out the piston, then it hangs. Now, once it hangs, that's all you need. And the cabin filter is right here. It's the same thing as the Sportage. It's the right hand corner. There's a pinch. You pinch it and just open it like a gate, and this piece comes off. And there is that bad boy right there. Shit is no joke. It's a good thing I used my head the day before yesterday and I ordered a cabin filter. So it came last night. It literally came the day we got this. That's why I wasn't too worried. But I just want to show you, look at the condition of this shit. Look at this. And you could tell it's never been changed, you know what I mean? And this thing has a lot of dander in it. I will tell you, the person who owned this before had a lot of cats. I had to actually make them clean this twice before we left the dealership. But you could see this thing is like choked. It's totally choked. I thought my wife's old car, that old Kia, I thought that cabin filter was bad. This thing, there is no space for any clean air to pass through. This shit is wild. Wild. All right, so this is the new one right here. This thing costs, I think, after tax, it was like 11 or 12 bucks. And I have Prime, so it came next day. Super inexpensive. It's from a company called Spearhead Breathe Easy Cabin Filter. And they recommend this to be changed every 15,000 miles. Guys, that's just a recommendation. Depending on your needs, how you drive, dailying, a lot of dust, stop and go driving, heavy traffic, you can change it at 10,000 miles, 12,000 miles, whatever you want. Just don't forget, because as I told you guys before, replacing your cabin filter, that'll help with a proper running HVAC system, cleaner air in the cabin, eliminating allergens, pollutants, the whole nine, and dirty smells. And this cabin filter has activated carbon in it, just like the other one from the Kia, her previous Kia that you saw. Now, so, and just remember, this is key. The airflow, it hits the top. That's why most of the garbage was from the top of that other filter, okay? So the airflow, it hits this way and it goes into the cabin. And that's why you have all this activated carbon in here to stop any type of smells. So, real simple. Let's put this bad boy in. Okay. So make sure your arrow is down and you slide this bad boy in. Like a disc. That's really it. Then take this, insert it. There's a hole in there, you insert it in here and click, and that's it. That's all she wrote. Super easy. So then put this back up, slide the piston back in, then you move it up. Just remember, you move this up until you see that the hole appear. Click, do it to the other side. Until you hear that click, and that's all she wrote. Guys, you know what to do. Definitely like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think. It's always a pleasure having you guys with me. I'll talk to you all soon. Take it easy.